Hey everyone, it's Connor back from this old farm, and today we're gonna have to do the phone. I forgot my GoPro. I'm kind of bumming about that because we're gonna be cutting hay today. We got this field here to do. This is the east of Bruno location. Rick is, I don't know if you guys can hear him, he's working his way around. At this particular chunk of property, we can't use the gate that's back there. For one thing, it's locked right now, but the haybine is too wide to fit in the opening, so we have to go through the ditch. No big deal. So yeah, I'm kind of bumming that I forgot the GoPro, and I asked Rick to grab it, and I don't think he could find it, which is no big deal, not his fault. So yeah, we're gonna cut this place up. This is one of our not so great locations. Last fall we did a farm update with round baling, and this is that field that we round baled on. This is also the same field that we did a live stream on, moving hay bales around a couple months ago. But yeah, this is not one of our better pieces of ground, but hey, hay's hay. So this is gonna be the site for fall plow day, because we want to try and get a better crop in here. So try and get some more hay out of it and stuff. Here he comes around the corner. I think he's doing the preliminary rounds. I'm not too sure exactly. And then eventually I'm going to be taking over here. So we'll try and grab a little bit of footage for you guys here as we're doing this. And yeah, we'll go from there, I guess. So we'll talk to you guys in a little while. can see exactly why this field's gonna be a plow day field next year. This is pretty rough looking hay here. Our corner. She's not got much going in her. But we want to knock it down for fall plow day, so that it's not such a pain to cut or plow. Probably would have been better to have green chopped this one, but oh well, what do you do? We don't have anything to chop into. The barge wagon is in need of some repair, so we'll for the current moment just work with this. So there's a little bit coming out of it, not much. So I mean, you can see there the windrows aren't great, that's for sure, but it'll make some bedding at least, you know, some junky bales to toss down over winter. So we're almost done. We got this little tiny bit left, and then that section up over there, and then we're gonna leave the haybine. We're gonna ditch the haybine here at this place, drive the tractor back to the farm, and at some point in time, whenever Rick gets time to, he's gonna cut the field that's in Bruno. It's pretty much right in town, so that'll be good. Kind of an interesting end down here now. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Well guys, there we go. Tractor's back home. Haybine's still over at the field. We ditched that. I think we talked to you about that we ditched it there so that Rick can cut hay at the in-town location. That's the east of town, so there's one kind of more in town that he's gonna cut maybe this week or something. I'm not too sure what the plan is there, but yeah, either sometime this week or next weekend or something like that, we'll hook up the hay rake back there and the hay baler and do us up some hay, and we'll try and gather some footage of that this time. I know last time when we were over at the neighbor's place, we didn't. I had a mosquito. I forgot the camera and stuff, so we didn't get footage of it, but hopefully this time we can do that. If not, there's still ample opportunity to gather some. So that's all I got for you guys. Sorry I forgot the GoPro and couldn't get more footage, but hopefully you enjoyed the little bit that we did get for you. And yeah, it's about time for me to take off and head back to the home place so I can work the week away, I guess. So anyways, thanks for watching, everybody, as always, and we'll talk to you guys all next week.